Welcome to this lesson on how to update XLGL. In this video, we will learn how XLGL notifies you when an update is available, and how to install this update. When an XLGL update is available, a new button will show up on the XLGL ribbon. This button will remain there until you install the update, so there is no need to rush. You can finish your work and click on it when you are ready. Confirm that you want to run the update, then make sure to save your work and close all Excel windows. Click OK to install the update. The update process is the same as the original installation, and you can safely click Next on each page of the wizard. You will be done in less than 30 seconds. When you next open Excel, the update button will be replaced by a message stating you have the latest version. Congratulations! You have updated your XLGL installation. This has been a lesson on how to update XLGL. Continue watching to learn more about XLGL and how you can use it to achieve outstanding reports.